welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I'm going to be sharing with you my top 4 best face washes in the affordable range. So let's get started with the video. Now the first amongst these 4, I swear by 2 face washes, but I've included 2 more just to increase the variety for you guys to buy from. Now the first face wash which I swear by in the affordable range is the Biotique Bio face washes. They are really affordable, they are so soothing on the skin, they don't leave your skin dry, and they are really nice. They clean the skin very deeply, plus they don't leave the skin dry. That's the best part. And they are very affordable. Like I don't have it right now with me because I am not where I usually live, but if you're looking for a face wash in the affordable range, Biotique face washes, I would suggest you to go for Biotique face washes. They're one of the best. Now they are available in 4 variants, I think. One is Biotique Bio Pineapple Oil Control Foaming Face Wash. It is for normal to oily skin. Next is the Bio Honey Gel Refreshing Foaming Face Wash for all skin types. The next is Bio Neem Purifying Face Wash, and the next is Bio White for brightening and whitening. Like this is written on the product. Now guys, one thing about the Biotique products, they have this word written by whitening on many of their products, which I don't support in any form, but other than that these products are really good, and they're available on Amazon at very good offers, so I would recommend you to check them out. Now the next face wash which I swear by are the Avon Naturals Face Care Purifying Cleanser. Now these are also available in a number of variants. They are available in papaya, in the variants like papaya, rose and pearl, and also this one which is the green tea and tea tree oil for fresh and clear skin. Now this also contains those beads, what you call them, those beads. Yeah, so it's quite nice. And honey and milk, and the latest variant of Avon is of these face washes is the carbon and perilla leaf. So one face wash retails for ₹199, but again these are also available at very good offer on Amazon. Like you can get 2 at ₹250, 260, like that, so which is very affordable again. So this was my reason of placing the Biotique above this because that is more affordable than this, but these both are really good, you guys. Now when you use this, this face wash, the Avon face washes are a blessing if you have oily skin, you guys, because it doesn't let the pores clog and it removes all the oil from your skin. Therefore it has also resolved my acne problem. Earlier I used to get a lot of acne. I started using these face washes and they suit me really well. I have a combination type of a skin. My T-zone is oily. The other areas of my skin are sometimes dry and sometimes normal depending on the weather. So I would highly recommend this product to you guys. It is a cleanser, so not only a face wash, it's a cleanser, so you can skip your cleansing and use this face wash. Now it gives a permanent it gives a temporary brightening effect, which is only there for some time. And one of the cons of this product is that it leaves the skin a bit dry. So if you are on the dry side, you might need to apply moisturizer just after you've washed your face with this face wash. Other than that, I think this is one of the best face washes in this price range. So the next face wash is the Assure Clarifying Face Wash. Now this is from the brand called Vestige, which I think is available on Flipkart. I checked, it's not available on Amazon. So it is Assure Clarifying Face Wash enriched with carrot and neem seed oil beads. Now it has got a really mild and pleasing fragrance to it, and it's a really nice face wash. It cleans your skin really nicely, doesn't leave your skin dry, and it is in oily skin. You also get other face washes. So it retails for ₹170 for 60 grams of product. which I think is quite affordable, and so this is third on my list basically. The next face wash, I think all of us know, they are so talked about, like really common. I used to use them back when I was in school. I'm talking about Clean and Clear foaming face wash. Now when I was in school, I have used these face washes so much, so this is, I would recommend these for teenagers because they are so affordable, easily available anywhere, you know, in stores also near our houses they are available, so you can get it from there. This is oil free, won't clog pores, it removes dirt and pimple causing germs, and this size is really small and travel friendly. Now this is 50 ml and it retails for rupees 65. I also have a smaller size. Now I didn't know this small packaging is available, but yeah, it is available clearly. So this is for rupees 20 and you get 20 ml product. Now this is amazing, guys. You can just, you know, put it in your makeup kit or your, you know, school bag, and it is so lightweight, like you can carry it anywhere. And if you have oily skin and you need to, you know, wash your face every now and then, so I would recommend you to buy these, and these are quite good and very affordable. So that was it from me, you guys. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I shall see you the next time.